Hi everyone, welcome back to our math lesson. Today, we're going to learn something really important. The properties of equality.
These properties help us solve equations correctly, keep both sides balanced, and make sure our answers are mathematically sound. Think of an equation like a perfectly balanced scale. Whatever you do to one side, you must also do to the other. What is an equation? Before we learn the properties, let's make sure we know what an equation is. An equation is a math statement that says two things are equal, like 3, 5 equals 8, x plus 4 equals 10. 2x equals 12. The equal sign means both sides have the same value. To keep the equation true, anything we do to one side must be done to the other. And that's exactly where the properties of equality come in. The addition property of equality. Let's start with the first one. Addition property of equality. If you add the same number to both sides of an equation, the equation stays true. Example, x minus 3 equals 5. To solve this, add 3 to both sides, which is x minus 3 plus 3 equals 5 plus 3. Then minus 3 canceled out and we got x equals 8. Why did we add 3? Because we wanted to undo the subtraction of 3 and keep the equation balanced. Next, subtraction property of equality. If you subtract the same number from both sides, the equation stays true. Example, x plus 7 equals 15. Subtract 7 from both sides. Then, x plus 7 minus 7 equals 15 minus 7. So, x equals 8, canceling out 7. Now, let's look at multiplication. Multiplication property of equality. If you multiply both sides of an equation by the same number, the equation is still true. Example, x divided 4 equals 3. Multiply both sides by 4. Then, 4 times x over 4 equals 3 times 4. So, we got x equals 12. Next, division property of equality. If you divide both sides of an equation by the same number, not 0, the equation stays true. Example, 6x equals 24. Divide both sides by 6. 6x divided by 6 equals 24 divided by 6. Then, the result would be x equals 4. Why these properties matter? These properties are the rules that allow us to solve equations safely. Without them, equations would fall apart. Here's why they matter. They keep equations balanced. They let us isolate a variable like x. They help us solve real-world problems in science, finance, and everyday life. Let's think about example in real-life situations. A movie ticket costs the same for each friend. Together, 4 friends paid $48. What's the price per ticket? Let's make an equation representing the situation. That would be 4x equals 48. Let's divide both sides by 4, applying division property of equality. Then, x equals 12. Each ticket costs $12. This only works because we use the division property of equality. Summary and wrap-up. Let's review what we learned today. Properties of equality. 1. Addition property. Add the same number to both sides. 2. Subtraction property. Subtract the same number from both sides. 3. Multiplication property. Multiply both sides by the same number. 4. Division property. Divide both sides by the same number. What is the key idea? Whatever you do to one side of an equation, you must also do to the other side. That keeps everything balanced. Thanks for watching. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to use these properties to solve more complex equations and real-world problems. See you next time.